Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the YOLO Park Transformers AMK series na G1 Generation 1. We have Megatron, AMK series 20cm model kits, Megatron. Meron din tayong Optimus Prime, Bumblebee, and Starscream. Okay, so start tayo dito sa box art design. Sa box art design, merong shot of the action figure. Tapos may mga features, the sticker of YOLO Park for authenticity, the name of the figure here, Optimus Prime, and then meron silang mga comic book inspired na layout or text. 20cm yung kanilang height, tapos window type yung kanilang packaging so you can check the actual figure itself. Shots of the figure front and back, mga color codes, manual kung paano mo siya i-assemble, main body and accessories, Ion Blaster, and some descriptions here. The brand is YOLO Park, materials ay plastic, item numbers, and yung mga iba pang figures here or characters, Optimus Prime, Bumblebee, Megatron, and Starscream. Okay, ito naman yung cover art ni Megatron, very nice pose. Tapos Bumblebee, wala ditong mga die-cast parts, lahat to plastic. Hindi ko lang alam kung magkano yung SRP nito. I think $30 to $40. Hindi ko pa siya makita sa YOLO Park na shop. Meron din silang kasamang manuals and flyers like thank you flyer or message na thank you for choosing YOLO Park, and then you have the QR code. Tapos ang ganda rin ng manuals nila kasi meron silang individual artwork dun sa front manuals. For Starscream, meron siyang robot mode and vehicle mode. For Optimus Prime, yung nagta-transform siya into truck mode to the actual robot mode. For Bumblebee, parang itong mas comic book style of illustration. And Megatron naman, parang merong mga geometrical shape na layout. Tapos dito sa parts na to or segment na to, merong line art yung design. Ganda ng design nila, pati sa likod meron. Iba din yung artwork. So we have, for Bumblebee, ganito yung artwork. Heroes of Cybertron, Roll Out for Optimus Prime, Decepticons Rise Up for Starscream, and ito yung battle between Megatron and Optimus Prime. So very nice set of manuals. So on hand, this is Starscream. Tapos we have Bumblebee. We have Megatron, and finally Optimus Prime. So isa-isahin natin sila ngayon. Okay, out of the box, this is a very nice build. Actually, yung mga parts niya pre-built na. Yan, ang gagawin niya na lang dito, kunwari, yan, yung head. Yan, nakalagay na to sa clamshell, tapos yung body nakalagay na rin sa separate section ng clamshell, tapos i-attach na lang using pegs. Now, may mga features sila dito. Nakalagay naman yan sa manual, and itong cockpit natatanggal din. So yan yung feature ni Starscream. Yan, so sakto nanonood ako ng G1 na animated na series ngayon sa Transformers. That's very cool. Ngayon ko lang siya napapanood. Salamat sa YouTube din kasi napapanood ko yung buong series na wala ring mga commercials, and lahat naka-upload naman sa YouTube. That's free sa official na YouTube channel ni Hasbro. Pre-built na yung parts niya. Yung legs yung pinakamalaking pre-built na part, pero pwede nyo siyang i-break down. So natatanggal pa rin siya. Okay, pwede nyo tanggalin yan. Tapos kung gusto nyo luwagan or higpitan yung mga joints, pwede gamitin nyo lang yung mga screws. Okay, lalo na rin dito sa part na to. Yan. Kung gusto nyo medyo mahigpit pa, pwede nyo i-adjust tong screw na to. Ayan. Okay. Kung medyo loose, pwede nyo higpitan. Kung medyo mahigpit, pwede nyo i-loosen up. So that's very nice. Ito rin, yung mga thighs, pwede nyo rin i-explore kung paano nila ginawa yung mecha design or yung robot design. So dito kay Starscream, you have the red section here sa kanyang back, the wings na merong Decepticon logo. You have the machine guns on both arms. Color palette nito, gray, red, orange, translucent orange yung kanyang cockpit. Yung inner frame niya, gunmetal. Tapos gray yung main body parts niya, primarily the legs and the arms. Tapos ito yung legs and the shoulders pala. Blue arms and then blue part ng feet, ng legs and the feet. Okay? Ito sa ilalim meron siyang booster. Tapos yung walang LED to mga to, ma'am sir. No LEDs, no die-cast parts. Pero grabe, ang ganda ng build nila. Very solid, very stable. Very true to the G1 or the Generation 1 na show, Transformers show. Actually, nanonood ako ngayon. It's very fun to watch. Habang nagko-customize ako ng mga Transformers, pinapanood ko yung G1 na cartoons. So, it's a very nice experience kasi hindi ko pa napapanood yung show. Okay? So yun, that's Starscream. Sa articulation naman, teka. Okay? Since, nice. Okay? So head can go look up. Okay, can look down. Hindi na. Down. Tilt. Tapos ito natatanggal din to eh. Nakakabit lang din naman tong part na to. Ayan. Tatanggal to. Just, you can rotate the wings. 360 yung kanyang naghihinder yung kanyang cockpit. Tapos 360 yung arms. You can also move this 360 din. May rotation sa arms. Bend. It's nice. Nice. Laki ng range of motion. Okay, this one you can pull it down and kick. Okay, tapos bend. That's a nice bend right there. Okay, tapos toe articulation. Meron nga ba? Yes, meron. Tapos yung booster can rotate din. Okay, that's very nice. Okay. Tapos ball joint itong kamay. Right. Next we have Bumblebee. Meron siyang accessories, dalawang set of hands. Yung isa trigger fingers, yung isa closed fists. Color palette niya black and yellow with red na Autobots logo. Tapos silver yung kanyang face. You have the little horns here. Natanggal ba to? Okay. Stable naman siya. This can look down better kasi meron siyang hinge dito sa kanyang neck. Okay. Tapos yung translucent yung kanyang parts dito sa chest. Yun yung mga windshield or window parts. And then you have a circular thing here at the back. Plain lang tong part na to ng legs. And then yung accessory niya parang isang pistol. Okay. Tapos shoulders, very square-like yung design. Tapos overall design niya is I think the Volkswagen type of vehicle. Okay? Hindi siya nagta-transform, lahat to non-transformable. Okay? Articulation niya, it can look down that far. This can move 360. Okay? Outward. Bend. Nice. Can rotate. Tapos pwede na mag-rotate yan, 360 na yan. May mga hindrance lang talaga doon kay Starscream eh. Can pull. Ito hindi mo na to masyado mapupull down. May limit to. Okay, tapos rotation can go up, the sideways pala can kick that far. It's nice. Okay, next we have unahin natin si Prime. Okay, we have Prime. Ang color palette niya ay red. Ito yung red, light blue, white, yellow, and cobalt. Medyo metallic yung blue niya dito. May shine ng konti. Natatanggal ba to? Nice. Natatanggal din. Pwede nyo nung i-explore yung kanyang feet. Okay, kung ano yung ginawa nila, pwede nyo higpitan yan, mga screws, may mga screws dyan. Pwede nyo higpitan, tapos ito rin, pwede nyo rin tanggalin itong part na to. Yan, tatanggal din yan. Sa lahat pala ata ng feet, pwede nyo gawin yung modification na joints. Okay, tapos kung ayaw nyo na matanggal yan, pwede nyo naman lagyan ng super glue. Kung gusto nyo yung mga kits nyo, hindi na natatanggal yung mga parts or segments, pwede nyo na gawin yan. Okay, tapos you have this windshield. Actually meron tong matrix of leadership yan nasa loob. Pwede nyo rin i-pull out yan, matrix of leadership. Okay, tapos meron siyang Transformers logo here sa kanyang left na arm, smokestacks, yellow sections of belt, and here's the back. Meron siyang booster. Tatanggal ba to? I think, yeah, pwede. Pwede. Kailangan lang medyo, okay. Yeah, I think pwede siya matanggal, pero ayoko na i-try. Baka biglang kumalas. Okay, sa likod you have the, hindi metallic tong part na to, it's white. Okay, tapos ito metal, silver, and then the legs are white. The hips, upper part ng leg ay white, the lower leg is color blue. Tapos yung upper body niya color red. Hindi translucent yung kanyang windows. Bakit kaya? Kasi pwede naman sila mag-translucent. Gumamit naman silang translucency dito na plastic. Bakit kaya? Anyway. Tapos yung head niya, a very angular type of head sculpt. Very nice. May bigat din. It's heavy. Wala siyang die-cast parts. Pero I think ito ang pinakamabigat. Si Megatron, Prime, Starscream, and B. Meron din siyang Ion Blaster. It's a plain black. It's a black na ion blaster. Okay? Pwede nyo siyang ilagay dito sa kanyang kamay. Next, we have Megatron. Super nice na Megatron. This is my favorite out of the 4. Look at the weapons. Grabe yung cannon niya. Pwede nyo siyang i-extend. You have the cannon at the back. Colorway is gray, dark gray, purple na logo, red accents. Sa side meron din siyang red accents. You have the buttons here sa kanyang stomach area. You can look down that far. Yung may mga hinge, nakakalikon pa baba eh. Ito hindi na. Nakakatungo. Ayan o, that far. Grabe yung layo nun ah. Okay. You can do ab crunch as well. 360. 360 yung arms. Can move that far. That's nice. Bend. Elbow bend. Can we do some elbow bend? Yes. That's nice. Okay. Tapos 360 yung waist. Ito, nabubuksan ba ito? Yes, pwede. Pwede ba ito ibaba? Hindi na pwede ibaba. Okay, bend. Okay, that far. Alright, cool. Large din yung kanyang feet for stability. And meron din nakasulat dito na 2023 Hasbro and YOLO Park. Okay. So yun yung ito, very angular din yung build ni Megatron. Okay. Tapos meron siyang mahabang cannon sa kanyang, mounted sa kanyang right arm. And the mini cannon naman dito sa mounted at the back. Okay, ito yung likod niya. And wala silang LED, pero ang ganda ng ganda ng sculpt. Very well sculpted, very well painted too, kasi accurate naman siya dun sa dun sa G1 animations or G1 style talaga na cartoons. So that's it mga ma'am sir. Yun lang ang ating review for now, and ika-custom repaint na natin siya. Alright, by far this is itong favorite ko, si Megatron, Optimus, Starscream, and Bumblebee. Again, thank you very much YOLO Park for sending these toys for unboxing, review, and customization. So yun lang mga ma'am sir. Thank you very much for watching, and see you sa next video. Bye bye.